Welcome to this low poly cloud tutorial. In this video you'll learn how to create these simple low poly clouds right here. Alright, let's get started. First switch to front view by pressing numpad 1, then press Shift A and add a UV sphere. Now duplicate the sphere with Shift D and scale it with S to start forming the shape of a cloud. Keep duplicating and scaling spheres until you get a cloud shape you like. It doesn't have to be perfect, you can always adjust it later. Once you're happy with the overall shape, select the center sphere, press A to select everything, then join all spheres together with Ctrl J. Next, go to the Modifier tab on the right and add a Remesh Modifier. This will merge everything into a single mesh. Set the voxel size to around 0.07 for more detail. To give the cloud the low poly look, add a Decimate modifier and lower the ratio value. The lower the ratio, the more low poly it becomes. For me, 0.0125 works well. Now that we have the base set up, we can easily create more low poly clouds. Simply duplicate the mesh and go into edit mode with tab. In edit mode, hover over one of the spheres and press L to select its linked geometry. Move or scale these pieces to create different cloud shapes. You can also delete or add new spheres if you want more variation. To finalize the cloud, switch to the shading workspace and create a new material. Add a ColorRamp node with Shift A and plug it into the principal BSDF. Change the ColorRamp's interpolation to ease, then add a gradient texture and connect it to the ColorRamp. Since the gradient's orientation is off by default, add a mapping node. With the gradient texture selected, press Ctrl T. This only works if you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled. If not, you can add the nodes manually. Rotate the mapping node on the Y-axis until the gradient looks right. For me, 90 degrees works best. Finally, change the left color of the ColorRamp to a darker gray and add more color stops with the plus button if you want extra variation. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.